today I'm going to show you how to make an envelope invitation. Okay, first you need to go to Google Chrome and open Canva. Then you gotta take a rhombus, take like this, and you gotta make it super big. And then you gotta adjust its size down. Usually I would crop this, but today I'm going to do it the other way. You can say the second way. So in the next video I'll be teaching you how to crop it. Okay, now we've done this, let's add I'm gonna add like some details to it. So until then you guys should subscribe. Okay, yes, take like this and you should turn it into a rectangle, a square, and manage the size like this. And I'm gonna change the color to this blue. I'm gonna change it to blue like this, and I'm gonna adjust it. Then I'm gonna change the envelope size into pink. Is not the color, I think it's blue would go well. Yes, this is perfect. Okay, no, this is more perfect. Okay, this is perfect. And now what we have to do is we're gonna add some details and stuff. We're gonna do that later. Okay, so now I'm just gonna adjust it a bit, and okay, let's see if I can like take anything else from here, like a border or something. Like these are like super cool borders, but I want like something cool dedicated to flowers because my theme is flowers. Because this is going to be a wedding invitation, maybe these checkers can do the trick. Okay, this is not working, so let's try to make it ourselves. I hope this works. Okay, this is going pretty bad. Let's do behind. No, that does not look good. That looks really bad. Let's take something else. Maybe I'll let the background be itself. Okay. Wait. I think I saw like one. Yeah, I like this one. It's so beautiful. Definitely matches the theme. Yes, I am taking this one. Okay, so until then you guys should subscribe because I want 10 million subscribers. I'm teaching you guys so you can move forward. By the way, I study in SMIT, Solania Welfare. It's a pretty good institute. Okay, back to the video. Okay, now we are going to do this. Okay, and we're gonna add a heading, and we're gonna write you're invited. You're invited. Oh, that's a spelling mistake. Invited. We're gonna select it, Control A, and now I'm going to do the Brittany, my own, like it's my favorite handwriting. Okay, now we've got this. We're gonna like adjust it, stuff like that, blah blah blah. You all know what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm adjusting the size now of the border. I think this border does not match the theme. I think I'm gonna change it maybe. Okay, so we're doing this. Just more adjustments. We gotta adjust a lot of things here. We're gonna write welcome. Oh, okay. I'm gonna write well, mom. No, wait. Okay. Welcome. Okay, now that's perfect. Okay. Brittany. That looks so good. That looks so good. Okay. Let's go here, adjust it. Oh, not the rhombus. Oh, okay. So, okay, nice. It looks already nice. Okay, we're almost through the half video, but like we have a lot of things to go. I'm gonna change, maybe I'm gonna, no, maybe change the background? I don't know. Okay, maybe this background, maybe pink. No, light pink would do the trick. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go to elements and I'm going to change the... So yeah. Okay. Now, if you pay attention, you gotta do this, okay? If you like have fun while doing your homework, you can do your homework even better than mine. Okay, I'm gonna put a flower over here, like a random flower, and I'm gonna put this colorful flower. It kind of reminds me of like fruit punch. Let me wait a minute. Let me just set this and then I'll add it. Let me delete. No, yeah. I'm gonna pick this one. This one like feels like fruit punch. Okay. Now almost done. Yeah, I think I might change the border. It doesn't look like nice. Yeah, I changed it. Now I'm gonna like get another border. I'm gonna do flower border. Yeah, flower frame. That's how I'm gonna do it. Okay. Now I'm gonna see if I like, okay. No. Ooh, this flower one looks nice. Okay. Let's see if like, there are a lot of them that I like, but there are some like I don't like, but you can change anything. Because I'm just telling you what I like. So you can do this. Remember that. If you like pay attention to your homework, you can do it. You can do anything. There's nothing in this world that is not impossible. You can do everything if you focus on it. Okay. I started this frame. It looks pretty good. I changed the color. And now that is the end.